Welcome, investors, to a critical discussion on one of the foundational pillars of the global economy, the housing market. Today, we address a question resonating across investment desks and dinner tables alike: will the housing market experience a significant downturn or even a crash by 2026? Unlike analyzing a single corporate entity, our business today encompasses the vast, complex ecosystem of residential real estate, a sector highly sensitive to monetary policy, demographic shifts, and economic sentiment. This isn't merely about shelter, it's about a multi-trillion-dollar asset class that influences everything from consumer spending to employment figures. We'll be dissecting the current state, potential trajectories, and key determinants for its stability over the coming years. While there are no traditional quarterly results for an entire market, we can assess recent macro-level performance metrics that serve as our proxy. Over the recent reporting periods, we've observed a recalibration in housing affordability, primarily driven by elevated mortgage interest rates. Median home prices have shown a mixed trajectory, with some markets experiencing modest declines from peak levels, while others demonstrate sustained resilience due to persistent demand. Inventory levels, though incrementally improving, remain structurally constrained in many desirable regions. Home sales volumes have seen a material deceleration, moving below pre-pandemic trend lines, indicative of buyer hesitancy and a more normalized transaction environment. This constitutes a significant shift from the accelerated growth phase observed in prior years, warranting a closer look at underlying support and resistance levels. In the absence of a single management team, we consider the aggregate commentary from leading economic institutions, central banking authorities, and prominent real estate analysts as our collective management commentary. The consensus from the Federal Reserve continues to emphasize a data-dependent approach to monetary policy, signaling that interest rates will remain higher for longer if inflation pressures persist, directly impacting mortgage markets. Leading economists from institutions such as Fannie Mae and the National Association of Realtors generally anticipate a plateauing of home prices, with some forecasting modest single-digit percentage adjustments rather than a precipitous decline. There is a prevalent view that while the frenetic pace of recent years is unsustainable, underlying demand from favorable demographics and a relatively robust labor market provides a structural floor, mitigating extreme downside scenarios. However, vigilance regarding regional divergences remains a key theme. Understanding the housing market's trajectory requires a comprehensive grasp of its broader industry context. Inflation, while decelerating, remains a critical input, influencing the Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates. Persistent labor market strength, paradoxically, contributes to both demand resilience and inflationary pressure. Supply chain constraints, though easing for some construction materials, still factor into building costs, affecting new housing starts. Critically, the generational shift of millennials into prime homeownership age represents a significant demographic tailwind, providing long-term demand support. However, affordability remains a structural extension challenge, particularly for first-time buyers in high-cost-of-living areas, forcing many to delay homeownership or migrate to more accessible regions. These interwoven macro factors create a complex tapestry of support and pressure points. Now, to the core of our inquiry, the risks of a potential crash by 2026. Several factors warrant trim consideration for their potential to destabilize the market. A prolonged period of elevated interest rates, perhaps beyond current market expectations, could severely erode affordability and reduce transaction velocity to critical levels. A significant deterioration in the labor market, leading to widespread job losses, would undoubtedly trigger increased delinquencies and foreclosures, potentially forcing a wave of distressed sales. Furthermore, a structural extension risk lies in potential oversupply in specific, rapidly built-out markets, coupled with an exodus of remote workers. Geopolitical instability, leading to broader economic uncertainty or a flight from risk, could also dampen consumer confidence and investment in real estate. These are the downside contingencies that require careful monitoring. Synthesizing our analysis, the outlook for a housing market crash by 2026, characterized by a sudden, massive collapse in home prices, appears to be a lower probability scenario, though not entirely absent. Most indicators point toward a continued market recalibration and normalization, which some may interpret as a correction. The critical difference from previous downturns is the current robust lending standards, significantly higher homeowner equity, and persistent demographic demand, which together form a robust structural foundation. We are on breakout watch for markets that can absorb higher rates and still maintain growth, and conversely, trim consideration applies to regions demonstrating early signs of oversupply or significant economic vulnerability. Investors should anticipate a period of potentially flat or modestly declining home values in some regions, but a systemic, widespread collapse akin to 2008 seems less likely due to fundamental differences in market structure and leverage. The coming years will demand careful, localized analysis rather than broad generalizations.